Valentine's Day can be a tough time for many, whether due to a breakup or disillusionment with the holiday's commercialism. Instead of succumbing to the traditional celebrations, consider hosting an anti Valentine's Day bash. Invite singles and couples tired of the holiday and focus on fun activities like handing out black roses, playing singles games, and exchanging humorous gifts. Customizing invitations with witty slogans, order anti-Valentine's treats, and even plan a dinner outing with friends or reach out to someone who might be feeling lonely. For a more personal touch, pamper yourself with a staycation or indulge in music that resonates with the anti-Valentine spirit. Embrace this alternative celebration as a way to uplift yourself and others while enjoying a day free from the usual romantic pressures.